Okay fellas, hi, and we have the Milwaukee drill for the chuck change, and it's that this is just like I got it. Okay, so we have the gear IC, we have a not Milwaukee, not a genuine chuck here, and this chuck is available on my store, and we have 3 common sizes, so just check it. And okay, you can see that it's perfectly fit the Milwaukee, and it looks really nice, metal one, so it's not a cheap shiny shit. Okay, it's cheap shiny shit, but just I'm selling it cheap. Okay, now I need to get the screw out from here, and I think I will just do everything out here. And I need to put the angle to the vise. It's not going to show here basically. Okay. Okay, from nothing to show here is problem, just can't unscrew the screw, and we'll apply the trick here. Okay, so there's no way for me to unscrew the screw, and that's not a big problem. I will find a spare one. Let's get to the business. We are here. Okay, can we open it? Yep, we can. And now just turn this one out. I will use some cleaner here. Okay, use some cleaner. So now we can put the gear IC here, and it fits nicely and perfectly here. That's like it should be. Okay, I will put a warranty sticker. Okay, getting the warranty sticker here, and I can see that this one is really not working in the best environment for the tool. But of course sometimes it is like this, and Milwaukee, Makita, DeWalt, both so on can really handle the bad condition of work, and yeah, it just needed to be repaired sometimes, and so on. So it's how you look at it. Here I'm just getting the screws in. I will test the drill itself, then find the screw and we'll clean it a little bit. Of course, I can see from the how the tool looks, the customer don't want it to be clean. Just as simple as that. Okay, where's our battery? Okay, so it works. I don't want to lock the check because I will need to put a screw here. So for you, that's all. Thank you for watching my easy short video. If you have questions, just ask them. If you need parts, write or check on my shop. And for now, saying goodbye.